In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best 110-volt tankless water heaters that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Rheem Electric Tankless Water Heater. Rheem has tremendous experience with both gas and electric tankless water heaters. The high-quality RTX 18 is rated for up to 4.4 GPM and offers advanced self-modulation, helping it achieve an efficiency rating of 99.8%. It can raise water temperature for 1 or 2 showers well beyond the recommended 110 degrees Fahrenheit level. It is widely recognized as being easy to install. Operation is simple, with a clear display and large dial offering control in single-degree increments. Brass-topped heating elements offer high durability and are easy to replace should the need arise. This Rheem model is an 18 kilowatts unit requiring a 240V supply and 240A breakers. Number 2. Maxmart Water Heater. The unit is designed to meet your various needs such as in kitchen, bathroom, mobile homes, campsites, public restrooms, etc. With the water heater thermostat, be sure to freely adjust water temperature by water flow in a simple operation. Maxmart 110V tankless water heater is a high-efficient water heater with compact size to fit in any location and produces hot water quickly. It saves you space, energy, and money. No exhaust gas, no pollution. Its temperature ranges between 30 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, but colder climates may get up 55 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Barbella Water Heater. The unit is ideal for outdoor sink or maybe a dedicated hot water faucet in kitchen, RV, boat, bathroom, and more. You can set the temperature to any degree between 55 to 75 degrees Celsius. Barbella 110V tankless water heater will automatically shut off when the desired temperature is reached to avoid waste of energy. So the automatic shut-off is a plus to this very tankless water heater. The installation is very simple and easy. Thanks to the well-marked inlet and outlet valve and the stainless components that came with them. Barbella 110V tankless water heater has multiple installation methods application for different water pressure of different areas, especially for families which are located on higher floor with low water pressure. Number 4. Garosa Water Heater. The unit is a 110V, 3 kilowatt water heater. So it can only be for washing hand or use in the kitchen. The Garosa 110V tankless water heater is made of stainless steel, and the contour with brass so you can be sure of getting durable product. However, when the inlet temperature is very low, the outgoing water is not ice, but no heat is felt. When the inlet water temperature is high, the outgoing water will be hotter. This may not be for you if need high temperature. With the auto shut-off you're sure of not wasting energy as the water heater will automatically shut off as soon as it detects over temperature. Number 5. Ariston Aura's Water Heater. The last but not the least on our list is the Ariston tankless water heater. It is small and compact in size. It features 3 adjustable settings: low 1 kW, medium 2 kW, and high 3 kW, instant heating technology, which ensures that hot water is always ready at all times needed, and a flow sensor system that ensures that the water heater works only when needed. It requires a 110/120V connection, 28-29 amps, and delivers 3.5 kilowatt. The heat exchanger is made from copper and the unit can deliver a temperature range between 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit with flow rate of 0.6 GPM at 35 degrees Fahrenheit rise. Ideal for RVs, under sinks, boats, in closet, kitchenettes, basement, garages, utility room and more.